Welcome back to your DPS CD Hub. And today I want to look at Solutionwhere. Solutionware is the button that will access you to your professional development. DPS CD is really working hard to develop their professional development so we as learners can continue growing our practice. So we can access it by category, alpha, month, interest, but just for today's purposes, I want to show you all the available resources that are currently being provided. If you want to look at it from a normal view and just look at all the available resources and classes that you can take to hone your profession, those are available in a long list here. You can also access it via the calendar view, and it gives you the specific times. I think this is the most user-friendly way to approach it because we have limited time in our daily schedule. So if any of these meet your needs, that's how you would access it. Also, you can call the Harris Center for more information if I haven't provided you such. But hopefully this information helped you understand that professional development is available in the district. If you're seeking out professional development during the course of the school year, I would recommend that you touch base with your principal or whoever coordinates your schedule so that if you do take a course that is within the school day, that you have somebody to cover your class while you go and get that information. Some principals are more apt to allow you time after school, but that may cause a problem with scheduling. So just make sure you cover yourself and that you follow through with any professional development, making sure that you have the time allotted during the school day to do that. Thank you for your time.